Alright, so I go to crank up my lawnmower, and my lawnmower is broken. Yep, this is not even fitting in there, right? Oh, got it in there. Okay. And that's as far as it gets. So I had to buy another one. So I bought another one. It couldn't fit in my trunk. So I had to put it in the front seat, lean the seat back, and kind of wiggle it in there. So I'm gonna take it out the box, start it up, see how it works. Hopefully it works. This part of unboxing, of course I couldn't record it because I don't have that headpiece to put the camera over my head. Not only that, I'm using my cell phone to record this instead of the other camera. So this is it in the box. Came with a little bag to catch grass or mulch in, and then a little side blow off. And this is a Yard Machines 21-inch 675 series, 163 cc's, powered by BRIGGS Stratton. My last motor was powered by BRIGGS Stratton, so I mean it was pretty strong while it lasted. So we'll see how this one turns out. I'm going to take the rest of this time to assemble it because my daylight's fading. Alright, so far you have to fold this piece back over, extend it out like that. You have to loosen these. There's one on each side. Take that out, extend it, tighten those back in, then tighten these up here. And that's as far as I got until the next clip. Alright, so they give you this little 4-cycle premium oil to put in there. I don't know, it seems like enough, but we won't know until we start it up. You put it in right there, in that little cap there, and then the gas on the other side over here. So I'm going to close this up, and then I'm going to start it up. Forgot about the bag part, because I'm used to mine having the side discharge area blow off, and that piece just fell off right there, so I got to put it back. But yeah, got to put the bag on, and then we'll start it up. Okay, I think I got it. This bag is sitting a little droopy, but hey, it is what it is. I'm about to start it up right now. Alright, try to hold that steady. Sounds powerful. Alright, time to cut. Okay, so far so good. I mean, it's cut it pretty well. You can see the, well, damn, I don't know if you can see that. Well, this grass over here is high, and then over there is lower. Let me go walk out, see if you can see the difference. So yeah, cuts pretty good, and it's fast. Well, I shouldn't say fast. It cuts more efficiently, so therefore it's faster.